Yeah. Okay.
You know how to steer it?
It's fun to steer it.
Go ahead.
Taylor.
Allison, wait! I'm gonna go down there after you. That's hard. I don't think the camera can see a thing. I doubt it. It can hear our pretty voices.
Yeah.
Is it okay if it's this loud?
Yeah. It's only like 9:35.
That was... Can we start like this, Allison? Okay. Oh my gosh.
I caught myself before I said so.
Hold on, wait. Oh. I go fast, by the way. Well, I'm picking up speed. Mine goes really fast. Like, I'll go in front of you and we'll go at the same time, and I'll like go in front of you too. Okay. Woo! Fantastic. Hi, my beautiful camera.
That's so much fun. We're gonna like shut you off now because you're not doing worse crap. So bye. Love you.